there. Holy crap. Megan is going right to Carol's house. Megan, right here. That's it. Right there it is. They're stupid. You know what? Where's your fiance? I don't even know why I'm in here.
I don't either. Gosh. And look at that idiot driving.
There's an idiot driving down the road. Do you guys see it? It was right behind the house, and then it went that way. How am I standing out here like an idiot? Shay, come and look at this. An idiot is driving down the road. I'm videoing it. I'm still got it on video. Look.
There goes
A car. Oh my God. That was that Derek Lee.
She's going down that.
But it went straight